guide you through how to fix iPhone touch screen not working. So the first thing you need to do is to first restart on your iPhone depending on your model because most touch issues are caused by temporary system glitches. Quickly press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, clean your screen properly and remove any case or screen protector that might be interfering with touch sensitivity. If the screen is still unresponsive, check for iOS updates by going to Settings, then General, then Software Update because outdated software can cause touch lag or freezing. You should also try adjusting touch settings under accessibility like touch accommodations and reset them if they were changed. If nothing works, reset all settings under General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, which won't delete your data but can fix hidden system errors. And finally, if your iPhone still won't respond to touch, it may already be a hardware issue, so contact Apple support or visiting a repair center in your last step.